Hi, I'm Lena with Osprey, and I'm here to tell you about the Transporter roll tops. The Transporter roll tops of the Transporter Pack series was designed to be used every day in all conditions. It's rugged, reliable, and weatherproof, and the TPU-coated nylon will keep your things safe in rain or shine. The Transporter roll top is a 25-liter commute pack that is great to carry all day, thanks to its breathable Airscape Ridge Foam back panel and comfortable harness. It also comes with an adjustable sternum strap and a removable webbing hip belt. Other things I like about this pack are the stylish and practical roll top closure, the blinker light attachment to keep you safe on your commute, a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, internal organization including a document sleeve and key clip, and easy-to-access water bottle pockets that leave your pack looking sleek and streamlined. So if you're looking for an everyday bag that's just as reliable as the one you'd use in the backcountry, look no further than the Transporter roll top from the Transporter Pack series.
With Unigear, and this is the 35-liter waterproof backpack. This waterproof backpack is ideal for activities such as water sports, climbing, cycling, and commuting. There are 3 ways to close this backpack, and the first you'll see, this is an entirely waterproof closure right here. You can see I have it rolled, clipped at the top, and clipped here. Just for daily use, you can easily clip these down to the sides. If you're looking for just a quick, fast, easy way to close the pack, simply roll it down and buckle with this closure here. We'll start with the outside and then work our way in. As you can see, there's a nice large pocket here, which is ideal for an iPad or anything of the sort. There's also a front zip, which is a little bit smaller of a pocket, ideal for smaller electronics like batteries, that sort of thing. See another small pocket. Again, this is not a waterproof pocket, but this is the perfect place for car keys or any smaller valuables such as that. If I spin the bag around, you can see the straps. These are thick padded mesh straps. They're very comfortable, and you can see there's a little bit of padding here for extra support and comfortability. There's also a lower pad, and then this is just the PVC waterproof material here. Along with a hip belt, you also have a sternum strap. The adjustability on the straps ensure that you can get a perfect fit every time. On the top, you can see a nice comfortable PVC handle, which is reinforced and ultra strong. One last thing to mention on the outside of the pack is that you do have D-rings, which are ideal to hook things onto the outside of your pack. Now I've packed this with just some daily essentials, so I'm gonna go ahead and unpack and just show you exactly what I fit in. Now that I'm inside, there are a few key features to point out here. There's a valuables pocket on the inner front portion of the pack, which is ideal for a wallet, maybe a headlamp, or anything else that you want to keep separate from the internals of the pack. As you can see, it's held into the pack in place with Velcro. This really helps to keep it in place no matter what you're doing. There's a nice carry handle on the laptop case, and I have fit a 15-inch MacBook into this. Again, you're going to be able to fit a wide range of laptops into the laptop pouch. There's also an exterior pocket on the pouch for anything like notes or maybe an iPad to throw in there. The 35-liter waterproof backpack by Unigear comes in 4 stylish colors: yellow, green, gray, and black. Thanks again.
My whole life is dedicated to fly fishing. Spending my whole life on the water means that everything that I've got with me needs to be waterproof. Whether it be cameras, cell phones, or lunches, nothing is really equipped for the conditions that we throw them at. When I'm walking on the flat getting crushed by waves, I've got the full confidence that everything that I've got in the Panga backpack is safe. It is hard to say how many times over the last decade things have gotten completely soaked in my line of work. Whether it be the Bolivian jungle or some atoll in the Seychelles, I don't want to have a piece of gear holding me back. It is the type of tool that I have with me now to take me that extra mile to the place that I want to be. The Panga backpack is perfect when you don't know where you're going to end up.
Waterproof, durable, versatile, and comfortable. Sea-Line dry packs are ready for adventure. The Pro Dry Pack is the most supportive, fully adjustable premium suspension dry pack available. Carry it all in comfort with suspension that adjusts to your torso length. Sea Line's most popular portage pack, the Black Canyon Dry Pack, offers the best balance of features, comfort, and accessible design for all-around use. Comfortable straps and lumbar support help soften the load. The Boundary Dry Pack is a simple, tried-and-true value pack dry pack with removable straps. All packs are made in the USA and feature an intuitive dry seal roll top closure, heavy-duty fabric, detachable harnesses, and welded construction ensuring your gear stays dry.
I hear ya.
Enjoy your adventure with full confidence that your gear is dry and protected.
Hi, I'm Chase with EarthPack, here to introduce our original dry bag series. As EarthPack's flagship product, our original bag comes in a variety of sizes from 10 liter to 55 liter. All sizes are great for travel and fit the carry-on allowance for most airlines. The 10 and 20 liter sizes contain a single adjustable shoulder strap that can be worn across the chest or over the shoulder, convenient for those active in open water activities and sports. These sizes are perfect for day trips or carrying your beach essentials. Our 30 to 55 liter sizes can carry a lot more gear and feature padded shoulder straps and a chest strap designed to distribute large loads evenly. A waist belt is also featured on our largest size, the 55 liter. The original dry bag series is constructed with welded, leak-proof seams and 500D PVC material, making it entirely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. The roll top closure provides leak-proof and airtight protection, stopping all elements from damaging your belongings. Plus, the D-rings allow you to tie down your bag to the side of a raft, boat, or kayak. Our minimalistic design makes this dry bag perfect for any adventure. Pack up and go with our original series dry bags.
Watershed, the original airtight submersible bag made in Asheville, North Carolina. This is the Yukon Duffel, the perfect bag for multi-day trips, a large airplane carry-on, or easy overnighters. It features polyurethane-coated ripstop nylon, which is highly durable, easy to clean, and UV stable. All seams are RF welded. The bag is essentially one continuous piece of material, no glue. The zip dry closure system is quiet, airtight, and becomes even tighter under pressure. To open, place your hands together alongside the zip dry and grasp the loops. Now crimp into an S form and pull apart. To close the bag, press and slide across the zip dry until completely sealed. For ease of use, make sure your zip dry stays lubricated with the provided 303 protectant. The Yukon Duffel is 70 liters or 4,200 cubic inches in volume. It may hold the Watershed padded liner and/or an assortment of items. If you want to keep it dry, put it in a Watershed bag.